Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Rater. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from James of Lakeside, California. He sent another rad box. I don't know what's inside. Let's check it out. Cool. So James has been sending all sorts of interesting stuff for a few years now, most of which I've never seen before, and we'll see what's in this box. Let's take a look at everything. And yeah, I've never even realized that these guys made cups. This is a Shirakiku Tonkatsu. I've seen the packs many times, never seen a bowl, but yeah, haven't had this one. Haven't seen this one either. This is Paldo with the Bibimen Mala. Interesting. So bibimen is a cold noodle, and mala means spicy. So this is going to be weird, I think. So, wow. Thank you. So this one I have had. This is the Maruchan rice bowl, the Mexican rice. It's not bad. I found this one when we were hunting down the Maruchan Funyuns confab thing deal a few weeks back. And I found this one and gave it a try. It's pretty good. And yeah, I'm willing to try it again. Thanks. What the heck is this? Tati or Tati noodles? Interesting. It says it's the world's first dragon fruit noodle. I don't know if it's made with or of dragon fruit, like the noodle itself. It looks like it's a vegetable flavor, so yeah, I'm guessing it's dragon fruit noodles. Wow, cool. And here's a spicy seafood dragon fruit noodle. Weird. And how can you have a range of instant noodle cup products without a chicken flavor? Cool. And here's a Dongwon variety. This is a cheese tteokbokki, I'm pretty sure. And I don't think I've had this one. If I've had it, it had completely different packaging. So cool. Another one I'm not sure on. This is a JML product. This is from China. This is a tonkatsu udon. These are big. This is a big freaking pack. And here we go with the big soup, big taste. I did a bunch of these recently. I don't know if I had the hot and sour pork though. This does not look familiar. Pretty sure I've had the beef and golden soup. I'll have to look. And yeah, here's the Japanese style pork bone. Yeah, I don't think I had the other pork one. I think I may have had this though. Oh wow. Here, let me oh wow. So this, check this out. XL ramen, hot and spicy, only for mukbang challenges. Wow. So I sent James a message because he's always looking out for noodles and stuff for me, which I really appreciate. There's a Paldo Dosirak box that's a really big one, and I was wondering if maybe that one was around. And this is what he found. I'm curious to show. Here it is next to my head. This thing is freaking huge, and I'm really kind of surprised because this is another big, enormous. This is like the size. Yeah, it's 4 servings. No, I am not going to sit there and wolf this entire thing down. I would be sick. I think my heart would explode. I don't know. But this is specifically made for people to eat in front of a camera while they record it and do a mukbang. So that's pretty cool. It is hot and spicy. I may do a mukbang of this, not eating the whole thing, but to do the hot and spicy aspect of it. Wow, look at that. This thing is huge. Wow, thank you. Wow, well, a big thanks to James from Lakeside, California. Dude, that's freaking amazing. Thank you so much. I've been kind of low lately on varieties to review. I do a lot of the Japanese ones I get out of subscription boxes, but this is a nice varied variety of stuff. And yeah, wow, cool. And yeah, so this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.